Thanks for joining us. We'll begin today with the shocking arrest of 49ers owner Jed York, taken into custody in Ohio over the weekend on charges of soliciting a prostitute. Officers say York was arrested after responding to an undercover ad.
ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Dustin Dorsey has been following the story, and he joins us live from the San Jose Bureau with details. Dustin?
Larry and Kristen, it was sunny at Levi Stadium today, but a dark cloud has loomed over the 49ers all offseason. Injuries, Kyle Shanahan's car accident, and now the owner of the team arrested in his home state. Ahead of the 2026 season for the San Francisco 49ers, another off-field issue is dominating headlines. Owner Jed York was arrested in Ohio, initially on suspicion of engaging in prostitution Sunday. Legal analyst Stephen Clark says he has since pleaded no contest to a pair of misdemeanor charges. The prostitution charge was amended to a misdemeanor disorderly conduct as a part of a plea agreement resolving the case, according to court documents.
He may be done with the criminal court, but the court of public opinion is still in front of him.
Columbiana County court records found York allegedly responded to an ad on a known prostitution website and, quote, arranged to have sexual activity with a female in exchange for $140. A human trafficking task force assisted in the arrest of York upon his arrival at the Wheat Hill mobile home community, about a half hour from his hometown of Youngstown, Ohio.
This certainly appears to be a sting type operation, and you see these across the country. You saw that in the Bay Area when there was the World Cup and the Super Bowl here. It's not so much about punishment as it is about education, and that human trafficking and prostitution is not a victimless crime.
York has been the majority owner of the 49ers since 2024 and the CEO since 2008. The 49ers said in a statement that as this is a legal matter which has been resolved, we will not be providing any further comment at this time. The NFL, meanwhile, said that the league is, quote, aware of the matter which will be reviewed under the personal conduct policy. It's the same policy that led in part to York's uncle, Eddie DeBartolo Jr., giving up control of the team in the late 90s over a felony corruption scandal. Clark says his legal team worked quickly, but what happens next for York remains to be seen.
He now quickly wants to expunge his record, which could mean that the police reports and the documents are sealed from public view, so we may not see the sort of salacious nature of what these cases often involved, which can be tremendously embarrassing.
Now, we also learned from court documents that York filed for divorce from Danielle York, his wife of 15 years, just a few months ago in May. The 49ers have their final preseason game Thursday before opening the regular season in Australia next month. In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, Dustin, thank you.